Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for signing up to the Conscious Counsel online legal course. You are going to have a blast. I'm going to take you through all the important legal information that you need for your business in a super fun and exciting way. And you're going to hear me talk a lot about communicating openly and honestly. And I think that's a great way to start and a perfect segue for my disclaimer. So do as I say and as I do. This is the legal disclaimer associated with the Conscious Counsel online legal course. Okay, I am not your lawyer. I love you. Do you feel my energy? I love you. I think you're rad. I can't wait to share all this information and all these stories about the law with you. But the relationship that we have is not one of lawyer and client. In order for you to be my client and for me to officially be your lawyer, you have to sign up with me as a client, which I hope you do. I would love to work with you, but I just want to be super clear that in providing all of this information for you, there's no relationship that is created between us of a lawyer and a client. And in addition to that, the information that I'm sharing with you, it is not legal advice. And I'm just going to repeat that so you hear it again. It is not legal advice. So if it's not legal advice, what am I doing? What I've done is I've run a legal practice for just under 3 years on my own. I've been a lawyer for 4. And during that time, I've worked with a lot of clients who interact with the law all the exact same way. So we're going to go through 3 different modules, really exciting stuff and different lessons. And I'm going to make the law super approachable and fun and understandable for you. But I want you to know that what I'm teaching you is not the law. If I was going to be teaching you the law, then we would be in law school and you would probably be taking a nap right now. Hopefully you're not sleeping just yet. But what I'm teaching you is my understanding of the law in a practical sense. So I'm going to be giving you tips and I'm going to give you advice and I'm going to help guide you about the things that I believe are most important for you to know about the law for your business. But what I'm telling you is not legal advice. And finally, most importantly, I highly encourage you to work with a lawyer or to seek professional advice before acting upon any of the information that I share in this course. Again, I'm a lawyer based in British Columbia and Ontario. I've worked with a lot of international clients all over the world, but law has its own specific jurisdictions, and you need to be aware of the specific laws in your jurisdiction before you take any particular action. This course is based on general legal principles. So in law, there's different jurisdictions for everything and everywhere, either in your province or your city or your state or your country, wherever you're from, there are going to be unique specific laws. This course will not give you the answer to all of the specific elements of your laws in your specific jurisdiction. That's not what we do. What we do is we take a very, very big picture and practical approach to the law so that you understand the different types of relationships you have and what your rights are and how you should communicate and what you need to be aware of. That's the purpose. That's really the benefit. That's what I'm empowering you with. And just so you know that if there are particular issues that come up in your jurisdiction, I highly recommend that you reach out to a specialist to resolve any of those questions or issues. So, in the spirit of open and honest communication, I can't wait for you to learn. The information in this course is going to help you so much understand what you need to know about the law and how you can operate better. But just a reminder, this is not legal advice. I'm not your lawyer yet. Hopefully, again, I'd love to be. And thirdly, I highly recommend that you consult a professional before acting upon any of the information in this course. Now that the legal stuff is out of the way, let's bring in the legal stuff. Welcome.